Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. What is the PAWS pre-market launch? The PAWS pre-market launch is an exclusive opportunity for eligible users to trade PAWS tokens ahead of the official listing date. This pre-market period is designed to provide early access to active community members, giving them a chance to secure tokens at potentially favorable prices. Here are the key highlights. Eligibility requirements. To participate, users must meet specific criteria. This includes preparing wallets, verifying eligibility, and sharing invite links to encourage community growth. Why it's exciting? Early access not only allows users to trade but also offers insights into the token's potential market performance, setting the stage for broader adoption during the official launch. Projected pre-market prices. The initial price range for PAWS tokens during the pre-market is estimated to be between $0.0073 and $0.0079. These estimates are based on early data, including market demand, community participation, and overall sentiment. While the prices may fluctuate, factors like token supply, user activity, and overall market interest will play a significant role in shaping the pre-market dynamics. Key dates to watch. Pre-market launch. The pre-market launch is set to go live soon, giving eligible users early trading access. Exact timings will be shared by the team in the coming days, so stay tuned for updates. Official listing date. The official PAWS listing is expected by the end of January 2025. While the exact date hasn't been confirmed, the team has promised a formal announcement shortly. How PAWS is ensuring fairness. The PAWS team has taken significant steps to ensure fairness and transparency during the pre-market and beyond. A snapshot on December 30th was instrumental in identifying genuine participants, while blocking bot activity and fraudulent farming. This initiative reinforces trust within the community, ensuring that tokens are distributed fairly. Breaking down PAWS Tokenomics. A robust tokenomics model lies at the heart of PAWS, focusing on community engagement and sustainable growth. Here's how the tokens are allocated. 62.5% for the PAWS app and airdrops. The largest portion is reserved for the PAWS app and future airdrops. This allocation ensures that the broader community has access to tokens, encouraging widespread adoption. 12% for ecosystem sustainability. These tokens will fund ecosystem initiatives, such as new projects, partnerships, and ongoing developments, creating a stable foundation for the token's future. 10% for team development. A portion is dedicated to the team to support innovation, execution, and long-term vision. 8% for the liquidity pool. This allocation ensures smooth trading and market stability, helping to prevent extreme price swings. 7.5% for Solana OG communities. By reserving a portion for Solana OG communities, PAWS strengthens its ties with the Solana blockchain, fostering collaboration and innovation. This well-thought-out tokenomics model is adaptable to future needs, with the team ready to make minor adjustments based on market dynamics. Building a strong community. The strength of the PAWS community is already evident. With over 22 million Telegram subscribers and 26.5k Twitter followers, the project has built a loyal and active base. Community members are optimistic about the token's potential, with some drawing parallels to the success of popular meme coins like dogs. The buzz surrounding PAWS is a testament to the trust and excitement it has generated within the crypto world. Why PAWS stands out? Unlike many other projects, PAWS isn't just another token, it's a vision. Its cosmic-themed tokenomics symbolize interconnectedness, adaptability, and growth. The team's commitment to transparency, fairness, and innovation positions PAWS as a standout project in the ever-expanding cryptocurrency space. The pre-market launch and eventual listing provide an exciting opportunity for both traders and long-term investors. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer, PAWS offers a unique chance to be part of something special from the ground up. What's next? As the pre-market launch nears, here's what you can do to prepare. Stay informed. Keep an eye on official announcements for updates on the pre-market and listing dates. Prepare your wallet. Make sure your crypto wallet is set up and ready for transactions. Engage with the community. Join PAWS on Telegram and Twitter to connect with other members, share insights, and stay updated. Share invite links. Increase your eligibility by sharing invite links with friends and family. The future of PAWS. With its strong community, innovative tokenomics, and promising market potential, PAWS is poised to make a significant impact. Whether you're looking to trade, invest, or simply explore a new crypto opportunity, the upcoming pre-market launch is the perfect time to get involved.